It's just a two-step process to fix 0x80240fff error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type CMD, right click on it, click on run as administrator, then type net stop WAUSERV and hit enter, then type net stop crypt SVC and hit enter, then type net stop bits and hit enter, then type net stop MSI server and hit enter, then type net stop app ID SVC and hit enter. Now type renc:/windows/software distribution.old and hit enter. Then type renc:/windows/system32/catron2catron2.old. Now type net start WAUSERV and hit enter. Then type net start crypt SVC and hit enter. Then type net start bits and hit enter. Now type net start MSI server and hit enter. Then type net start app ID SVC and hit enter. And then finally type exit to close the command prompt. Again go to search bar and type PowerShell. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. It will open Windows PowerShell. Then type this command wauclt.exe/update now and hit enter. And then finally type exit to close this. That's it guys. Restart your system and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.